Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add your legal pages to your Shopify store. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is go over to settings on the bottom left hand side of your page, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu and tap on policies. Now over here you can go ahead and enter in all of your policies, such as your refund and return policy, privacy policy, your terms of service, your shipping policy, and then your contact information. Now what's very important over here is that they do offer some templates. So if you tap on create from template, what they do is basically give you a template with all of your details in, but it is always advised to go ahead, read through this and make sure that it applies to your store and your products. Having said that, we're going to go ahead and carry on to the privacy policy. We're going to create a template here as well, and down to the terms of service, we'll create that template, and our shipping policy, which will have to be entered in manually. So we can say shipping within 10 to 15 days. All right. And we're going to leave it just like this, as this is just an example. And then your contact information, you can go and enter this as well. We can say create from template, and there's all of the details. Now on the top right hand side, you're going to tap on save, and this is now going to save these changes. We're going to leave the settings menu now. Now over on the left hand side, you will see online store, and in this online store we're going to go all the way down to navigation. Now from navigation you will see the footer menu and the main menu. What we want to do is we want to put it in the footer menu, and here we can, if we want to, edit or delete the search function. But for now we're going to tap on the add menu item, and on the right hand side we're going to go ahead and tap on the search or paste a link, and all the way at the bottom you will see policies. And because we've already set this up, we can now enter all of these policies in here, and this will be done individually. Now once you choose one here, it'll automatically adapt that name over there, and we're going to tap on add, and we can just continue to do this for all of the other policies. As you can see there, we can now enter all of them as we would please. And we can just go ahead at the bottom now. Once we are done, tap on save menu. And once you're done, it's always good to go ahead and tap on view your online store to double check that everything is in order and the changes that you've made have been saved. Now, if you enjoy the content that we create, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of Shopify content to help you learn and help you grow your online business. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers.